Hello, I'm Christian over here at Patrick Cadillac, technician here working on this XC6 we have in a few pieces. Let's go ahead and take a deep dive into some of the little components. All right, so here you can see we have the transmission removed from this vehicle. You can kind of see the back of the engine. Located right here, we have the flex plate, or in other words, it's kind of like a flywheel on automatic transmissions. This is what is connected to the engine's crankshaft, which allows it to rotate. Theoretically, all you need to do to be able to start up the engine is rotate this plate here as fast as possible, of course. That way it'll rotate quick, get the fuel going, get it to ignite, and then you have spark, and therefore you can start your engine. Now, that said, in order to do that, you have to move this. So we have this little device here located up by the transmission's flex plate, the starter. So this guy, if I take it out, give you a better look at it. It's pretty simply just a gear that rotates. So you have all of this together, a motor as well as a gear that will allow it to push forward and then theoretically spin as quickly as it can to allow it to engage and start up the engine. So a little bit more complicated is we have this gear here. It's called the Bendix gear. It's at the end. This goes forward and rearward to allow it to disengage and engage to this little flex plate. And then also we have the motor here that actually creates all the power and allows it to turn. And then we also have all of the wiring that goes to it, as you can see from up above here. And this is all related to a starter solenoid, which is in other words a relay. And the basic idea is just that we have little current, little power circuits creating much bigger circuit ability to generate. So should be all able to get every vehicle to start up just the same with any kind of starter. And this is how this one does it. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you were able to learn something and pick up something from this little piece here. And hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you return. Thank you.